Good morning, roadies. Just wanted to take a little minute and kind of give an explanation of today's Foodie Friday recipe. I have it courtesy of Doug and Shelly from His Way Homestead. They had posted a picture of it on their Instagram account, and I totally fell in love with it and just had to have the recipe. And so we did it, and it is now a big favorite of ours. So thank you to Doug and Shelly at His Way Homestead. And I'm just going to explain a couple of different things I did that's a little bit different from what they did on their recipe. They had suggested using the chicken thighs basically whole and just cooking it in the pan that way, and I diced it up. That way we could have the pieces all mixed all throughout. And also they said to simmer it for at least an hour, and I only needed to simmer it until it started to thicken up to the desired consistency that we liked. And so that took about 30 to 40 minutes is all. So those are a couple different things I changed. And then also I cooked the onion in with the chicken pieces because Wally has to have his onions dead, basically. He doesn't like them crispy, and he wants them basically non-existent. And so really the only way I can get away with using onion at all is if I just kill it. So I cooked it in with the chicken, so that way it was basically as done as I could get it. Other than that, and then the pablano peppers that I used, I could not find any roasted at the supermarket, so I just brought some regular ones from the produce section and came home and roasted them myself. So if you can find some already roasted, then there's a step you don't have to take. However, since I roasted mine, I went ahead and put them in the video. Other than that, I think that's really the only difference that I did, and we loved it so much that even Summer, who is a picky eater, had 3 helpings. So the next time I do it, I will be doubling this recipe because there just wasn't enough of it. We liked it so much. Or maybe, it would be really good if you put it on top of rice, and that would kind of, or even pasta. It would be really good on pasta too, if that's what you prefer as well. So, but it was just really good as making it like a stew too, and that's how we did it the first time we did it. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well as we did, and it was super easy, all in one pot, and that was about it. So please remember to click that button, subscribe, like it, and ring the bell. And we hope to see you around for the next recipe. Thanks a lot for stopping by. And be safe out there, and remember to always take the scenic route. See you next time. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are 3 for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.